Time for you shenanigans. Okay, y'all, it's Wednesday and we're playing hit the ball. Yay. What's the shenanigan?
I'm on my period.
I'm not on it. It's just coming. I'm not a bird. I'm not a bird. Morning, y'all. Girl, so I decided to take a class and hopefully this elevators work, because honey, I don't be doing what I be getting myself into. But it starts at 6:21 and it's 6:20, but I already went down because I was trying to look for parking because this is my first time here. Mind you, I left early. It's called Barry's. It's like a workout place. It's nice. The aesthetic. Ooh, you think you out of town. Can I? Oh, it's nice here. But yeah, they validate parking. Yes, I almost fell. But I'm trying to run. Alright, y'all. I'll see you guys inside.
We pull it back. After a minute, we got a bigger push on the other side. We're at 20 seconds and we're going into a hydrant.
I just finished the class. This was my outfit. I'm tired. That was a 50-minute workout. Look how dirty my jumpsuit is. I'm not gonna record too long because it's copyright. But look at all the stuff they have in the shower. This nice, but Jesus, that was intense. All right, I'm gonna leave though. That was intense. Oh, so nice down here though. I should walk a little bit, but listen, like that was intense. Like what the heck? For a 50-minute class, I'm not coming back. I am not coming back. They got a nice restaurant here too. Everything is closed. It's not open yet. I'm just gonna explore real quick. And no, I'm in the adventure area. We made it to LA Fitness. This is a different location. I've never been over here, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm going to do upper body. I don't know nothing about this location, so we're gonna see what's tea. So hopefully I don't do I got my headphone? Camera is on 7%. Did I bring? I don't even know if I brought the charger, but I'll charge it when I get back. But yeah, the class was good. It's just that you just jump right into it. They don't tell you where. I mean, it just say, okay, you're at this section, and then you get on it. Then you do different workouts. You do. Today was run and abs and ass. So we did glute workouts and we was running. All right, let me check in because I don't know how this thing works. This gym is so old. I'm just walking through the bathroom and it's giving pink tiles. Sorry for digging in my nose. But this is old school. But it's nice. It's real low key. This LA Fitness. Look at this. This is giving like I don't know, like 80s. Like, it's really old school. But my thing about the dice on 2%. Show y'all quick. They got a pool. The gym is upstairs. I'm about to go to the Stairmaster. Ready, y'all. We are going to Home Goods / TJ Maxx. We gotta look for some rods and utensil holders for the draw. Bum, 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 bum. Y'all, I haven't been to this TJ Maxx ever since I've been home decor. Since my lap home decor shopping. Like, it's been a minute. Look at this. I don't even care about the bow thing, but I like seeing it. Like, look. That's cute. You see the little bow? No, let's look for what we came to look for, because y'all know I get distracted easily. But yes, y'all, I came from the, what they call? We came from the what is it called? Why I came from today? Oh, the berries. That nap. I took a nap and it took me out. Oh. See this. Oh, it's not bad for $9. But it don't go with the theme. That's a nice sale. Look how much it was. $30. Now it's $9. That's a hella discount. And these 24. Let me look for what I'm looking for, so I could. Then I can talk to you guys, cause I get distracted real quick. Oh, I'm gonna come here next time. No, I've been wanting to come here. It's cause I had to go run other errands. Y'all, we about to go there. About to go eat the food. I've been craving. Look, the blackness just got out of me. I've been craving seafood for the longest. So we're in Midtown. I'm gonna go to this. This is my first time going to this one. Cajun something. So I'm gonna show y'all the view. Oh, I didn't know they sell tacos here, but yes, they don't limit here. No, you don't. Food is here. I saw that it was closed. One night I was looking for the nearest. Yeah, because the hook and reel is closed. But I don't really want a lot. I just wanted the taste. Oh, good morning, y'all. Today is Friday, and hey, it's Friday. No, I don't know why it's so hard for me to vlog these days. It's like I've been on go. But I want to vlog so I could remember these things, because I be looking back, watching the things by myself, laughing by myself, like, this girl funny. But anywho, I just left TJ Maxx, where I was yesterday, and I came to get this picture. I bought one, and then something was telling me just get both. because I put one here and one there. But my sister was like, no, just get one because it's too much and small. But I'm like, when I went and put it, because I had went and got the whatchamacallit, I got the mirror and I got that, and then we got the trays for the spoons and stuff. So someone was like, just get both. But my sister was like, no, I don't need it. And then when I put it up, I was like, okay, it needs both. I was like, dang, I should never listen to her because I ain't had to jar it back down here. So it is what it is. So I got that. Good thing they still had it. So we're gonna put one here and here because I think it'll be nice just to fill the wall up because the room is white. Like that's it. So yep, I'm excited that it's coming along great. Somewhat. So yeah, today's Friday. I'm off again. I go to work tomorrow. So I've been off for like what, 4 days? Oh, y'all heard my son. I'm hungry now. But how many days I've been off? 3 or 4? I don't know. I just be work and do what I want to do. So I'm gonna head to Costco. You know, my favorite store. But I'm not going shopping. I'm just gonna put gas in the car. And then I got these new scrubs. But they don't fit. I got small. The top fit, but you know my butt is big, so the bottom don't fit. Like the bottom is way too tight. Cause my other scrubs are, I ain't gonna lie, they're big. I mean, I lost a lot of weight. I almost lost like over 30 pounds from last November to this November. Like, yep. So my scrubs are like baggy, and everybody's like, "You're shrinking." And I say, "I'm not shrinking. The clothes are just big." So yeah, I got these small ones, but the top fits great, but the bottom, you know, I got thick thighs, big butt, so it's always gonna be like uneven. Like I always have to like get a small, and with the bottom I'll have to get a medium. Like that, I gotta get my stuff custom made, and I only got a BBL. Like this is like homegrown. Like I don't know how the girls do it. Like and they get their stuff custom made, all that. That's too much work. I'm trying to get everything the same size, but that's not how our body is. Our body is different. I need to find something to eat. I had a ginger shot. Oh my gosh, yesterday the seafood was just what I needed. Cause I feel like I didn't have seafood in a minute. And I used to make that thing like crazy. And it tasted so good. We went to Midtown, which is a nice little vibe. And I liked it. I like that for me. I don't know if I'm gonna do it often. Cause Midtown don't really be having stuff like that. It's just restaurants and shopping. So I don't really care to be in Midtown like that. Where when I go to Dana Point, you got the movie theater, you got shopping, you got food. Like it's like a whole vibe where you can walk. Or Midtown is literally just food. If the Midtown had a movie theater, that'd have been a nice little spot right there. So yeah, but we finna get into it. Let's go head to Costco's and then go to Whole Foods to return these because I gotta get new ones. So yeah, hopefully everybody's having a great day. Thanksgiving coming up. What y'all gonna do? I'm be at work for Thanksgiving. Sorry. Oh, what's today? Cause I have to get the pie. I'm bringing pie. I'm not making it though. I'm gonna buy it from Costco's. Costco's pies is so good. So I told them they could put me down for pie. Oh yeah, Thanksgiving is literally next week Thursday. So I'll buy the pie like closer. When it's closer. But yeah, y'all, so hopefully everybody's doing great, having fun. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my vlog. We went to Daytona, which y'all know I ain't going back there. Well, it depends, cause like the mud princess is saying that they're having it in Daytona again, but I don't know if I want to go back there. I hope they have it somewhere else closer. I know they said it's supposed to have it in Tampa and West Palm Beach. So if I can change my ticket to those locations, then I'm gonna go over there. But it's to be announced, so I'm waiting for that. We got the turkey trot run coming up. I can't wait. Yes, I'm gonna be running and then go to work after, which I cannot wait. But that's the little updates, y'all. Oh, another update, elephant in the room. Yeah, I got a new car. This is my baby. This is my baby, Big Bear Cooper. That's her name. Well, that's his name. And it is a Jeep. If you guys want a car tour, just let me know. So, yeah, I always wanted. This is literally my dream car. So, I'm like excited. And that's it. That's it. Ain't nothing in it. I'm just living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. I need to go to the gym for real though today. Yesterday workout, girl, I thought I was gonna wake up and feel like some type of way in my butt, but no, my quads don't even hurt. Like nothing hurts for, and it was supposed to be a abs and ass sets type of workout, like abs and glutes, and my glutes don't hurt. I mean, yesterday when it was like while I was doing the workout, it was hurting, but I don't feel no pain here. It's only when I went to LA and I did arm workout, my arms were hurting this morning, like my arms and stuff. So I was like, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go back. I'm not going back to the berries thing. I don't think that's, it's not my judge. I don't like it. I feel like it was like a hit workout. You rushing into different things. So yeah, it's a no for me. And I have one more complimentary thing it expires today actually. I must check to see what they have, but I don't know if I'm gonna go back there because I don't feel the pain. I don't feel the burn. I'm trying to feel the burn because I feel like I'm complacent. Like I'm just like I'm at this weight where I'm trying to lose some more because I'm trying to hit a go weight, but and the exercises are not hitting how they used to hit. Like I used to be sore, but I need to up my weights. That's the thing. Anyway, I'm gonna start talking because it's about to be 12 o'clock, and that's when, you know, the midday traffic because people trying to eat lunch. So let me get out of here. Alrighty, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, Costco. I know I said I wasn't gonna come, but I did. I ended up getting a basketball court. I don't know who's gonna build it. Let me show y'all what it look like. It was so nice. Oh, I gotta show y'all I gotta show you what it looked like in person. Hold on, I'm gonna come back. Cause the line long. That's nice. Alright, let me go back in line. See how long the line is. Busy for no reason. It's Friday. Why didn't that work? But I guess.
Very long time just holding that motion. She mastered it. So this is good music for breathing techniques.
You only have 2% left, but I just love yoga, and girl, I just cannot stop smiling. Like the energy was so great. Like I walked out there like trying not to smile. Like I was just happy. Like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna be doing this like every day. Every day there's a class, I'm gonna do it. So I mean, not every day because, you know, I gotta sleep or whatever, but oh my gosh, I feel so good. I don't know, I'm sorry that it's dark in here.